Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing this wig from Wiggins Hair. So I have already went ahead and bleached the knots on this wig. This is a 13x6 wig. I already bleached the knots and plucked it. Only thing I really got to do now is customize it to my likings, pluck it some more, do my baby hairs, and basically apply the wig. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just taking my razor and I'm cutting off the extra lace. And I've already got it adjusted to my head. So once I do that, I'm going to basically start to glue the wig back. And I'm going ahead and spreading this glue. This glue that I had was pretty old. That's why it looks so tacky. But I am going to go ahead and use a new bottle of my Ghost Bond. I think I used Bold Hold. Either way, it was between Ghost Bond or Bold Hold. So I'm going to go ahead and get that bottle now. Alright, so I did hurry up and begin to blend the glue. I am using Bold Hold, so I'm just going to go ahead and do my hair in 3 sections. I'm going to do the middle half first, then I'm going to do left to right, and yep, that's basically the main routine that I usually do, and that's what I like to follow. Alright y'all, so I'm basically going in now that I've have the whole wig glued down. I'm just going in on any parts that aren't fully glued down, and I'm basically retouching it. Like I said in the past, if you guys are new to my channel, it is a must that you always make sure that your wig is fully glued down around your whole perimeter. Do not let any pieces be hanging out, because once you do your baby hairs, it'll basically lift back up. Also, once your hair gets old, that's the first thing that's going to start showing. So you guys want to keep in mind of that, and make sure you try to have everything glued out. Make it as neat and clean as possible. So now I'm just going in and adjusting my part, and as I adjust my part, I'm just going in with my hot comb. So guys, this wig, I don't know what was wrong with it, but there was a part of the wig that basically had like a knot in it or something, and it's at the top right of my head. It looks weird. So I'm just gonna go ahead and begin my baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pick it out later on in the video and try to flatten as much as I can, but honestly I don't know what that situation was about. So now, as you guys know, for my baby hairs, I like to cut my baby hairs with a razor, never a scissor, and I just like to make sure it's like short to long. And for the glue, I'm just using right now I'm in the middle of using Got To Be, the yellow kind. So that's the gel that I am using at the moment. So I'm just doing my baby hairs and swooping them into the hair. Y'all, I loved this wig. The lace quality on this wig was beautiful. Like, you can see it right now. Like, it melted to me pretty. Like, it went so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. I am going to be doing a new style of my baby hair, so when I get to that point, I'll be sure to basically give you guys a detail on it. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to start that detailed baby hair that I was telling you about. So this is kind of like a new way I've been doing my baby hair. It looks so pretty and so cartoony. I love it so much. So I'm basically going to be making my ends swirl. So first thing I would do is I'm just swooping my baby hairs regular how I usually do. But instead of just leaving it like that, I'm going to curl the end and make it swirl. So the key to doing that is you can't really do it with, I can do it with a comb. I can't really do it with a brush. So I like to use my rat tail comb to really align it, but you have to make sure that it is wet with gel, like or it just will keep lifting up, like it won't stay down. So I keep on going and basically forming the shape of it until I get it to look nice and stuff. So I put some more gel, as you guys can see, and I curled it with my finger, and then I'm gonna take my comb and I basically just circle it around and carve. So I keep going and I carve it, and that's basically how I do it. Isn't it so cute? Comment down below and let me know if you guys love this little baby hair swirl thing that I'm doing. Like, I love it so much. I love it. I think it's so cute. Okay, y'all, I think it's so cute. But anyways, yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and continue on my baby hairs. Right, so I'm back again with the baby hair swirl. Like I said, I'm brushing it, basically doing it how I usually do it, and I'm just getting to the end and adding a swirl. So y'all, my lace was lifting up in that corner, and this right here is a prime example of why you should always make sure your lace is cut. So I went ahead and cut that piece off. So now I'm just going ahead and reshaping the baby hair again. I'm going to actually slow it down so you guys can really see this. So I'm just going ahead and carving it out and forming it into a circle as I go. I'm sorry, y'all, but some of y'all finna hate me for this. Some of y'all finna love me for this. But this is my new baby hairs. Like, I'm always gonna do my sideburns like that. It looks so crazy pretty with curly hair. So look at it with straight. I do have a curly hair tutorial coming for you guys, so y'all can really catch it and peep it and love it. So yeah, y'all, now I'm going ahead and taking some of my mascara, and I'm just making my part a little smaller because I did over bleach the knots a bit. I'm going ahead and taking my hot comb. As you can see, I started messing with that little piece again, but I let it be. I'm now going ahead and brushing my hair. I'm gonna put some spritz because now this is the time where I like to get my hair to look slick, flat, and finished. This is my finished look. I do my spritz, and I ain't afraid to use the spritz. I go to town. Then I go ahead and I take my oil sheen. Once the oil sheen has been done, I take my hot comb and I just slick that out. I lay it out, I spread it, I flatten it, and I define it. I love this routine right here. My oil sheen and my spritz is my go-to. I'm using my thing because my hot comb wasn't getting as hot for me. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the tutorial. So basically this is how it's looking. For some reason there's something like a defect in the wig. So if you guys can see, like right here has like a little hump, and right here, I don't know what to do. Like, I literally tried to cut out pieces of the tracks. I've literally flat ironed it. I really don't know what to do to make those humps go away, but I've hot combed it. I've done like the best that I could, I'm gonna go ahead and stand up so you guys can see the length of this wig. We're past my butt because it is 40 inches. And all the information of the company will be listed in the description down below.